Hey AI fans, today, we're exploring how AI is transforming the manufacturing industry. Robot automation. AI-powered robots are taking over repetitive tasks, assembling products with incredible precision and speed. This not only boosts productivity but also ensures consistent quality. Hammer and wrench gear. Next up, quality control. AI systems use advanced vision technology to inspect products for defects in real time. This means fewer errors and higher quality products reaching consumers. Package magnifying glass. AI is also a game changer for maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses AI to analyze data from machinery, predicting when parts will fail and scheduling maintenance before breakdowns occur. This reduces downtime and saves costs. Wrench, hammer and wrench. And let's not forget supply chain management. AI optimizes supply chains by predicting demand, managing inventory, and even finding the most efficient shipping routes. This ensures products are delivered on time and at the lowest cost. Delivery truck package. So, there you have it. AI is revolutionizing manufacturing, making processes faster, smarter, and more efficient. What do you think about AI in manufacturing? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Factory Speech Balloon. Follow us on Duvan channel for more insights about AI. Subscribe, comment, share and like.